A spacesuit is a pressure suit that is designed for astronauts who are required to live in a vacuum of low pressurization and non-existing oxygen. The space industry spends millions of dollars in manufacturing only one spacesuit per astronaut. This is aside from the other normal costs of a space shuttle program. Today, many countries own their national space agency, but there is one private space company that is making a name for itself in the past decade: SpaceX. In this video, we will be looking at SpaceX's suit and its features. Before we continue, please subscribe to our YouTube channel by hitting the subscribe button below to get a notification on our next video. SpaceX keeps on inventing and pushing the limits of space travel. The company, spearheaded by the genius billionaire, Elon Musk, has a primary goal: to move humans to a different horizon and make space travel between planets an affordable reality. Although they have not achieved that, they are working hard and producing unique inventions every step of the way. Recently, SpaceX has come up with its specially designed spacesuit. It is made with care and ensures the company's reputation for enhancing maximum safety and two-way communication with Earth at all times. People first noticed the spacesuit worn by astronauts Doug Hurley and Bob Behnken after they had finished conducting a test flight from Florida to the International Space Station in May 2020. The two men are veteran NASA astronauts, and they said that the spacesuits were comfortable, better looking, and had more functions on them than the regular orange jumps other astronauts used. Doug Hurley said that they were much easier to get in and out of in zero-G. Bob Behnken also praised the product and said they'd give the suits a 5-star rating. These comments continued to raise more interest in SpaceX's new spacesuits, and the curiosity made high-tech enthusiasts trend. In case of an emergency, this new spacesuit is said to keep the astronauts safe by producing Earth's atmospheric bubbles. This will keep astronauts alive for some time before they land or call for help. With the new suit, no much training is required to teach you how to wear and use its installed tech fits. No need for hours of slide presentations and extracurricular courses to be taken by astronauts on how to suit up in this nice wear. It's generally much easier to use than the old conventional spacesuits. The suit is also fireproof and has a piped-in airflow system which helps to keep the astronaut's body at normal body temperature. Cool oxygen air passes through the seat and hand rest while in flight. There is a connection pipe nicknamed the umbilical cord that connects the astronaut's chair and the spacesuit. This means that the astronaut's chair and the spacesuit work in synchrony. For an average person, the most noticeable difference is the looks. However, the spacesuit is a perfect combination of a modern tuxedo and the Hollywood sci-fi spacesuit. The new SpaceX's spacesuit costs about $12 million. It has extractives, aesthetic shapes at the shoulders, knees, and body sides to mold the astronaut's trunk into a more defined form, just like a tux. The white spacesuit has some nice black patches and lines that give it a superhero look. Some of those black areas are ports for space digital gadgets, speakers, and microphones. The 3D helmet is white all around except for the frontal area, which is tainted to complete the superhero look. There are also a pair of black boots that fit the upper body aesthetic. The tech giant made it clear to the public that the suit was intended only for rocket launches and landing. Intra-shuttle operations will require another outfit suitable for smoother in-house activities. Similarly, live space explorations will require another suit for harsher conditions out there. The SpaceX manager for spacesuits and crew equipment, Chris Trigg, mentioned that the suit can be custom-made to the astronaut's body size and shape. The CEO of SpaceX, Elon Musk, also sheds more light on the uniquity and functionality of the new SpaceX suit as he took off from Earth's atmosphere in his Tesla Roadster car. Kit in the new SpaceX spacesuit, they've been rigorously tested with double vacuum pressure with astronauts inside. The awesomeness of the new spacesuit should be attributed to Hollywood designer Jose Fernandez, who was solely responsible for Batman's costume and other awesome projects. What do you think about SpaceX's suits? Thanks for watching this video. Please share your opinions in the comments section below, and remember to click the subscribe button to be the first person to watch new videos on this channel.